Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling and Cooking with me, AB. You know what? This is week 4 of Soul Food Sundays. You guys been watching this series. You know we doing this all summer long, and I'm coming to you with another YouTube Virtual Potluck along with Soul Food Cooking. Hey, you guys go by and take a look and see what they bringing to the table, because I sure am. I'm gonna tell you, I don't ask them what they doing or nothing like that. I just wait so I can be surprised. So it's a chance we could be making the same thing. But you know what? I can tell you this, after just looking at everything that they do, you know what? I would like to see a different spin on what I'm bringing to the table myself. So with that being said, we're gonna break right into this video, and I got a good one for you guys this time. You know what? This week, I'm bringing to you a seafood gumbo. Really, it's, you know what? It's a long name. It's chicken and sausage and seafood gumbo. Super easy to make. I know you guys, some people are like scared of like that roux, but I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to make a roux where it's almost like foolproof, you know? So endure it, let's watch it, and let's break right into this video. Okay, we finna get right into the ingredients. Look, right here, we just got shrimp. It's already been peeled and deveined. These are jumbo size, as you can see, a nice size. Over here, we got boneless, skinless, you know, chicken thighs. I'm gonna go ahead and trim those down, but I just got them in there. They've already been rinsed. That's why you see the paper towel. I'm just letting all the water drain off of them. Hey, I know this is not part of gumbo, but you know what? You gotta have your sweet tea. And of course, you know what? Most people put crab in there. I saw these crab claws. This is what I'm going with today. I love these. The claws are like super sweet. We got 2 cups of chicken broth. And listen, when you say gumbo, you know what I mean? Hey, you know what? I've been on that Cajun and that Creole kick, so you know we gotta have Andouille sausage. We got celery. A whole bell pepper, just cut, roughly cut. The more and more, you know, the longer it cooks, you know, the smaller it gets, so I start off rough. 5 cloves of garlic. This right here, you guys should be able to guess right now what that is. That's that Creole Kick by Sweet Smoky Joe's. Hey, listen, that's 2 tablespoons. Here it is right here, so you guys can see. I'll put the information down in the description box below. If you guys have not gotten this right here, man, you gotta try it. And let me just say this. Listen, if you use the discount code AB10, listen, I'm not getting nothing from it. That goes to show you how much I like this product right here. Hey, you guys do yourself a favor and get it. That's AB10. Here, obviously, you know, that's an onion, you know, roughly chopped. And you know what? You do not have to have fresh thyme, but I just like fresh thyme. You know, I just get like a little small pinch full. You know, it's about like 6 or 7 sprigs right there. Right here, this is the fire roasted diced tomatoes. You know, this right here, I like Hunt's. I like this brand right here. And what you're not looking at right now is you're gonna put a ½ cup of oil, and we're gonna make our roux, and then we're gonna have some flour. So I'm getting ready to take you guys over there to the stove. We finna get on that cast iron skillet. You guys saw last week how I made the gravy. We finna do the same thing. We get ready to put it in the crock pot. Super easy. We're gonna cook it on high for 4 hours, and then we finna grub. Okay, look, keeping it super simple. Listen, I like to lay my ingredients out as I'm gonna use them. So we making a roux. We using a cast iron skillet. This is already starting to get warm. Look, we're gonna add oil. That's a ½ cup, and then we got a ½ cup of all-purpose flour. We're gonna put that in here. Here's where it becomes gumbo. You guys already did the most difficult part of this whole, you know, whole gumbo. Now we're gonna put all of our ingredients in here, minus the shrimp and the crab. Actually, I'm getting ready to put the shrimp and the crab back into the refrigerator, you know, as it cooks. We're gonna add that at the end of the cook. But right now, I just put it in. I put it in layers, just make sure everything is mixed. And then right here, that's the frozen okra. You can see, look, it's hard to get out. The crock pot gonna have the aroma in your house already. But listen, when you open that up, oh my goodness, that right there is what I call a chicken and sausage and seafood gumbo. Ooh-wee. Now it's up to you. I like mine like this. This is the way I was raised on it. I've had other people's that might have been a little thicker, but I can tell you this, as it cools, it just thickens up, you know, real nice. But I just stir it around. I want you guys just to see everything is nicely cooked. You can see by this, you can look at these claws right there. You see that redness? That lets you know that, hey, it's ready, it's right. And now it's time to go ahead and, as we say, you know, we're going to call it a plate, but obviously I'm using a bowl. And so I just put it in there. And then I'm going to show you guys, hey, listen, this right here is just hands down. You might not make it no other way but in the crock pot moving forward. Super easy. There you go. Gumbo. So there you have it, you guys. This is what I'm bringing for week 4 of Soul Food Sundays. This is my YouTube virtual potluck, you know, meal. Listen, it's a chicken, sausage, and seafood gumbo. I hope you guys like what you just saw. I'm gonna go ahead and get me some. And right now I got my spoon loaded up with a little okra, fire roasted tomatoes, and this egg. Look, got one of these claws, just that stone crab. I'm gonna go ahead and eat that off camera. Super easy to make, and especially the new people that has never ever made a gumbo, and you probably heard, because everybody hears this, you know what, it's all in the roux. The roux is tricky. As you saw, you know what, the mystery has been solved. I don't see it being no mystery at all. Super easy to make. Just make sure that when you're making your roux, you never stop, you know, whisking, and your heat is the key. Medium high, and if it looks like it's starting to cook too fast and bubble, all you gotta do is reduce the heat. Hey, with that being said, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and take this time to welcome you to my channel. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it, and let everybody out there know it's a channel out here that's taking the mystery out of cooking and simplifying these recipes. And with that being said, you guys, you know what I'm finna say. I'm out. Peace.